It looks like we have a seal. Comes with an LED light. What do you have, Chloe?
Truck tonneau cover accessories.
Perfect. Like some brackets. Yep. And then we have, it's like this is going to be the actual cover.
And there's another thing under
here. And then we have like the rails. The first step is put the seal on here. We'll go ahead and put the seal up there. Right up here, Chloe. Go ahead and line that up there.
Okay, so we got the seal on, and now we're gonna put on these brackets.
Okay, so first thing you got to do here is remove the factory 6 screws. So Chloe's going to go ahead and take this one out.
Oh yeah, that's
perfect. So just pull the 6 screws out. Put the bracket down. And screw it in there. Okay. Go ahead, Chloe.
All right, so it's like this?
Yep. Stick it up there, and she's just going to kind of finger tighten it. Chloe got the brackets on there. There's 6 of them. Yeah, now we're going to take the actual roll-up tonneau cover and stick it back here. Like so. Next, we need to put the rails on. So the rails go on a certain direction. So there's a notch right here, which will go toward the back of the bed. So we're going to take that. We're going to stick it up on the bed rail here. And then you want to take the end of the bed rail and slide it in just like so. Chloe just slid it right in there. There's a little channel in there. All right, we got brackets. We slid the rails on. Next, we're going to go ahead and they put on these little brackets here.
It's like this?
Yep. And it pops in that in. Got that one done? Yep, that looks good. We'll move on to this one. Teamwork. And then that one's probably good, Chloe. And then we'll do this last one here. Now we are going to unroll it. We pull up on it, Chloe. There you go, stretch it out. Okay. And then you push down. Ooh, and it makes it really tight.
Finished product.
So there is the Velcro on the sides. You probably kind of want to push it down a little bit. There it is. It's pretty sturdy. There's 1, 2, 3 bars in there. Kind of hold it in place.
And this is how you release it. You just pull on that. And then you can like unfold it and stuff.
And just roll it up.
Clamp it up.
Clip it into place here. Like so. It's pretty nice quality. I definitely would recommend it. As far as installing, it was super simple. Chloe and I both did it. I don't know, maybe it took us 20 minutes maybe.